Díoghuit agus fáilte arás. In this video we're going to look at how to express feelings of happiness in Irish. There are a number of words for happy in Irish. Let's go through some of them. Sásta means happy or satisfied or content. Sunna also means happy, as does luchóireach to mean happy. And another word for happiness then is áthas, which you might be more familiar with, and we'll get to that later. Tá cuma hásta Séamus. Séamus looks happy. Tá cuma hásta Séamus. Bhí sé sunna an sin. He was happy there. Bhí sé sunna an sin. Tá mé bra sásta le a chuid obre. I am very happy with your work. Tá mé bra sásta le a chuid obre. Let's look at some ways of expressing greetings in Irish using the word happy. Breth lá sunna. Happy birthday. Breth lá sunna. And Bannachtí na Cásca ort. Happy Easter. Bannachtí na Cásca ort. That means happy Easter. A word you're probably more familiar with in terms of expressing feelings of happiness is the word áthas. Bhí áthas orm. I was happy. Tá áthas ort. You are happy. Tá áthas orm go bhfuil sé déanta. I'm happy that it's done. Tá áthas orm go bhfuil sé déanta. Déanta coming from the Irish verb Dane, to do or make. And if you wanted to say then, the story had a happy ending, you could say this. Is ma mar a harla. Is ma mar a harla. The story had a happy ending. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and don't forget to let me know in the comments section some of your favourite ways to express joy or happiness in the Irish language. You'll see some videos here now to do with expressing feelings in Irish, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this. Gurb míle mágat agus slán go fóill.